We're going to do the in-cabin air filter. This panel right here that just clips into the gaskets. Just like that. You just pull straight up. This has got a couple of clips, 1, 2, 3 on the back, and then just tuck it in at the front. Okay, so we need to get into this box right here. So let's see, we got a clip here, and a clip there, and another clip right here. That's 3, and pull it right up. Okay, there's our filter right here. Oh, that looks this big. So it says on this one, airflow that way. So we want to get this out. Oh yeah, that's not very good. Okay, that's on. You want to put this back down. There's 2 holes. There it is. Push it close. 1, 2, 3. Get our cover for this. 1, 2, 3. And then just push this down so it sits underneath. There we go, and done. That's the in-cabin air filter. All right, let's do something else.